this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily lock your applications on your Samsung phone. So let's go to the Google Play Store and just choose this. And there's a quick application we can just get. It's called App Lock. So just type in search App Lock, and then we can get this. Now this one might come with some ads, but actually works pretty good. So we can just go to one of the top ones here. So you can see App Lock, Finger Lock right here. We can just choose this, 50 million downloads, install. And then when we get this, we have the option to lock those apps. So it works pretty well. Let's go to open. And then wait for this to load. Choose your language, save. Then we go to next, next. And then we can start it, okay? Set up a lock pattern, whatever it may be. I'm just going to do something easy here so I remember. Then go to OK. Then these are some app suggestions to lock. So Facebook, probably don't need that. So let's go to lock right here and just choose it. Display over other apps, so we can do that. So we need the permissions. So just go to App Lock under the permissions and just turn this on. So it may take a while to load here. App Lock turned on. Okay, usage access. Allow permission here too. Just make sure it's swiped. For some reason it's not letting me touch it, but let's go to it. Okay. Protected apps. Okay, let's do this last one. Allow. And then you can get notifications if you want. Okay, so these are unlocked and these are now locked. So Facebook is locked. So I can go to it. So is it showing up in the top left? Okay. So I can just locate Facebook somewhere. Then I can go to it. And it is app locked now. So I have to type this in. And I should be good to go. So very easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.